모든 것은 런던의 빈민 지역인 롱아베스트레인에서부터 시작됩니다. 현장에서 우연히 총기를 소지한 소년을 발견했던 경찰 하산.
This isn't me.
Okay.
그리고 소년이 도망친 현장에는 정체불명의 시신한구가 놓여져 있었죠.
Shit.
I've got an armed suspect on the move.
그리고 화면은 이제 약 92년 전인 1941년을 비춥니다.
Evening, lady.
Evening, detective.
런던 지역에서 형사로 근무하고 있는 화이트먼.
Yeah, this is Whiteman.
You have a new errand. You will drive it to Long Harvest Lane to pick up a body by 10:15 p.m. Then drive the body to the Royal Albert Dock and leave it there.
A body.
Know you are loved, Sergeant Whiteman.
사실 화이트먼은 몰래 돈을 받고 더러운 일들을 처리해주는 부패 형사였는데요. 그날 밤 롱아베스트레인으로 시신을 가지러 가는 화이트먼. 그런데 이 시신 분명 그때 그 시신입니다.
Law is the law. Get him in!
한편 놀랍게도 1890년 형사 힐링헤드에게도 똑같은 사건이 벌어졌었는데요.
A fresh corpse, naked as the day he was born.
장소 역시 롱아베스트레인이었죠.
Give me back my camera. It's my property.
I found this Ponce taking photographs of the corpse.
힐링헤드는 기자를 취조해보기로 합니다.
Explain yourself.
Name's Henry Ash. I'm a journalist for The Star. I was walking by when I heard the sound of street lamps exploding. I saw the body, assumed he'd been beaten and robbed. I shouted for help.
Then why were you taking photographs?
Like I said, Detective, I'm a journalist.
It's where do you develop?
I have lodgings round the corner.
Then I'll collect them as soon as they're ready.
각기 다른 시대에 발견된 동일한 시체 한 구. 대체 지금 이곳에선 무슨 일이 벌어지고 있는 걸까요?
I've got an armed suspect on the move.
화면은 다시 2023년입니다.
Suspect's name is Saeed Tahir. Yeah. Last number he called was his sister's. We're trying to get hold of her now. Saeed's in the care home system. No sign of radicalisation.
So how'd you get the criminal record?
Minor stuff, misdemeanors, led astray.
우선 시체에서 단서를 찾아보려는 형사들.
Head wound like that, the lane should have been covered in blood, but not a drop.
The bad news is, there's not one single hit on any of our databases. He's a John Doe.
These markings look fresh. This mean anything to anyone?
What about that scar on his head?
The anterior lateral. There's no bullet.
하지만 놀랍게도 시체에선 아무런 단서도 나오지 않았고 화면은 다시 의뢰를 받고 시체를 처리하는 1941년의 화이트먼 형사를 비추는데요. 하지만 재수없게 검문에 걸리게 되고
Moonlighting again? You Jew boys. Should never been allowed on the force. What you got in the boot?
Moonlight.
절체절명의 그 순간 독일군의 폭격이 시작됩니다. 다행히 살아남은 화이트먼은 급히 현장을 빠져나가죠. 다음 날
Terrible loss, sir.
Farrell was keeping watch on a looter crew working the lanes. It appears he pulled Woolsey over to the curb. Whatever he was up to, the Luftwaffe put a stop to it.
You looked inside the vehicle, sir? May I?
자신의 흔적을 지우는 화이트먼.
We checked the boot, sir.
It's your case.
그리고 당연하게도 트렁크에는
Good God.
이에 화이트먼은 자신이 책임지고 이 사건을 해결하겠다며 동료들을 속여버리죠.
Charlie, call for you.
Hello.
Oh, we wanted the body, not a murder investigation.
Don't have a conniption for it. I'll cold case it.
You will destroy all police records immediately. Know you are loved, Sergeant Whiteman.
That MRI came in on the John Doe.
Okay, and?
Scanned his bones from head to toe. No bullet.
That's impossible.
Yeah, it is. This is Saeed's sister, Alia. We tracked her down to ask why he called her. And she just told us where to stick it. You've a better chance of getting her to talk, that's a fact.
You're cheap, Barbara. Do you know that?
Yep.
한편 상사인 바버의 명령에 따라 용의자인 사이드의 누나를 만나러 가보는 하산.
We need to talk.
Alia, he didn't tell me anything. He didn't
You
do
don't
anything.
talk.
Why would I?
Then I'm the cop who chased your brother this afternoon. I know he's running scared, and I want to believe he didn't do it.
잠시 후
You say you're the real deal. How do I know?
This is my number. If your brother calls again, tell him this from me. He's got a story to tell, and I will hear him out.
그리고 이런 하산을 지켜보고 있는 한 남자. 다음 날
Alia?
My sister said I could trust you. We meet in public. The cafe on the second floor of the Stratford Shopping Centre by the ice cream cone.
마침내 사이드로부터 온 연락. 이에 하산은 곧바로 사이드를 만나러 가보는데요.
Barbara, I see you.
Wait for me. That's an order.
My bad.
그렇게 단독으로 사이드를 만나는 하산.
If you've got the gun, give it to me.
You've got a dozen armed officers rocking up here in 30 seconds flat. Give me the gun, and they can all go home disappointed. Look, I don't think you did it. Just give me the gun, and I'm all ears.
Well, you're all ears now, aren't you? You know, you really won over my sister. But she doesn't understand.
What doesn't she understand?
Everything they said was going to happen has. So is what's going to happen next. You were meant to find the body. That's what had to happen. That's what I was told.
You're not making sense.
And neither were you, Sue.
그리고 이때
Say it. No, wait, please don't!
Take the shot! No, you were loved.
이해하기 힘든 말들을 늘어놓곤 스스로 생을 마감하는 사이드.
Inspector Hillinghead.
Well, I thought it best to retrieve the photographs earlier.
한편 힐링헤드는 사건 현장의 사진을 찾으러 기자인 헨리의 집에 방문합니다.
Are the ones I took before your officer arrived? I think the last ones should interest you.
A reflection.
Well, you must have been hiding in the alcove when I saw the body.
And what exactly were you doing in the rookery?
I'd been up all night, taking photographs for a piece I'm doing on the local nightlight.
Where are the photographs?
그리곤 의도치 않게 밝혀지는 기자의 비밀.
For the matter of gross indecency and unnatural acts behind closed doors.
하지만 헨리의 태도는 꽤나 당당했는데요.
You're wasting your time, detective. You'd be better off trying to find the killer instead. Inform your chief inspector that you wish him to contact the assistant commissioner. Tell him his married son was a man photographed with me last night at the Molly House.
Damn it! Why so long?
This is his alibi.
고위 간부가 엮여 있는 상황.
Who's this?
Just suspect in the name. Why? You recognize him?
Barnett. Hillinghead.
If you value the life you have.
That's all the warning I dare give you.
분명 그의 상사는 사진 속 인물을 아는 것이 확실합니다. 시간은 이제 2053년입니다.
Anomaly detected. Source in Long Harvest Lane.
그리고 이번에도 역시나 이곳에서 똑같은 남자의 시체가 발견되는데요.
Control.
Control.
I've got a deceased male with a gunshot wound to the head.
하지만 이 남자
He's alive.
시간은 다시 2023년입니다.
What you got?
I've seen this kid before. He's connected. He knows something.
곧바로 자살한 사이드의 주변 인물로 추정되는 남자를 추격하기 시작하는 하산.
Here we go. Elias Mannix, 15 years old.
Care home owners say wherever Mannix went, Syed followed.
Everybody get down! Where's your son? Check out stairs! Stand down!
그리고 하산은 이곳에서 일라이어스가 몰래 찍은 자신의 사진들을 발견합니다.
Jesus. So you're saying you haven't seen Elias in 2 days?
That's right. Look what's going on. We're really starting to worry.
Can you think why your son is following me? Taking pictures?
What?
Putting me on his wall?
No. Have you ever seen this boy before?
No. His name's Syed Tahir. He was in the same care home as Elias. They were close.
No.
Syed was our main suspect in a murder before me. He killed himself.
That's Elias, with Syed, holding the gun Syed later used to take his own life. There's the victim we believe Syed may or may not have murdered with the same gun.
Really?
Andrew, your ex-job, right? You're the adoptive parent of a psychologically troubled kid with a history of misdemeanors. Didn't it cross your mind to notify the police that he'd gone missing and you didn't know where he was?
Hassan, if we're knocking on his door every day and checking his search history and asking where he's going, we're just another institution to him. But don't make your mind up on him too fast, eh? He's a good kid. He'll have nothing to do with your dead body.
일라이어스를 진심으로 믿고 있는 듯한 그의 양부모님. 하산은 조금 더 이들을 조사해보기로 합니다.
I had this dream again last night.
그러다 보게 된 과거 일라이어스의 영상.
I had to kill a little boy. I didn't want to, but I knew I had to. And I wanted that to be it, but it wasn't. And all I wanted to do was to let him know that he was loved.
No, you were loved.
No, you are loved.
또한 양부모의 수상한 행적도 밝혀지는데요.
Out the black and stops for petrol here. The date, July 6th.
Maddox, the Morleys are lying. Bring him in, but keep them separate.
We know it isn't news to you that you're aiding and abetting a fugitive, Mr. Morley.
Elaine, you've already lied to the police once.
하지만 갑자기 태도를 바꿔 묵비권을 행사하는 이들.
I was wondering why you'd want to adopt a kid like that. He's telling them about his reoccurring nightmare.
이에 하산은 일라이어스의 어머니를 설득해보는데요. 그리고 마침내
Crabapple campsite.
일라이어스가 있는 장소를 알아냅니다.
Barbara, I'm coming.
You got us this far, hats off, but you've done way more than
Are you
necessary.
seriously telling me to stay
No, you've got Elaine on the ropes. Stay on her. Find out what else she knows. We'll call you as soon as we find anything.
하지만 잠시 후
Have they found him yet? Just at the campsite.
What is this?
It's your turn with Elias now.
갑자기 이상한 말을 하기 시작하는 여자.
You'll let him know, hero. Even I started to doubt until yesterday when you walked into our house, just like they said you would be.
Who?
I want to offer you my heartfelt thanks for what you are about to do for Elias. Deepest condolences for Jawad's sacrifice.
How do you know my kid's name?
Let him know.
What do you mean, sacrifice?
He will be.
How the fuck do you even know his name?
I see it in you. I can feel it. Has it happened yet?
Has what happened yet?
I think I have.
그리고 이때 자신의 혀를 잘라버리는 여자.
Barbara, tell me you've got him.
Elias isn't in a camper van. Manager says he's never seen him.
It's a trap. Get him out of there.
화면은 이제 다시 1890년의 힐링헤드를 비춥니다.
Inspector Hillinghead, the chief inspector's ready for you.
And there was no murder weapon discovered near the body.
Correct, sir.
Since the Long Harvest corpse has yet to be identified, do you believe you've exhausted all further avenues of legitimate inquiry?
Barnett, Hillinghead, if you value the life you have.
Yes, sir, I do.
결국 사진 속의 남자는 묻어버리기로 하는 힐링헤드.
You did the right thing, lad. There's no need to rock the boat.
그는 일이 커지는 건 조금도 두렵지 않았지만 자신의 가족까지 이런 일에 휘말리는 상황은 원치 않았기에 애써 참아보기로 합니다. 하지만 사진을 태우고 잠시 뒤 기자인 헨리가 찾아오는데요.
How dare you think that you can just waltz into my house?
You arrest me again? My studio's been ransacked by police. My photographs destroyed. You have the only remaining copy of the photograph of the murder suspect, and so you clearly intend to do nothing with it. I would like it back. That photograph is all we have of him. Without it, he wins.
Only ashes remain.
Then we have nothing further to discuss.
헨리의 올곧은 정의감을 보며 마음 깊은 곳에서 복잡한 감정을 느끼는 힐링헤드.
Biggest story of the day.
그리고 다음 날 결국 기사를 내버린 헨리.
Got your message?
The scoops caused quite a stir in my department and the public.
I have an honest question off the books. So do you seek merely to roast the police and further your agenda, or do you seek justice for the Long Harvest murder?
And it's justice, by the way.
If we investigate this murder discreetly, together, you can publish our progress in your newspaper and give the police no choice but to reopen the investigation.
You burnt the bloody evidence.
And I found these. Finger markings on the gaslight in the alcove where the suspect stood. That's as good a place to start as any.
그렇게 힐링헤드는 헨리와 손을 잡고 다시금 사건을 파헤치기로 결심하죠. 화면은 이제 다시 1941년.
Tell me something, Cousins. How does a low-life convicted rapist like you get his hands on top-notch cigars? You're only just out of clink.
Friends in high places?
In the boot of a Wolsey, after last night's raid.
What's this?
It's a gear knob, stupid.
그는 강간정 과범에게 자신의 죄를 뒤집어 씌우기로 합니다.
Well,
Problem solved. I'll bury the files.
good. Know you are loved, Sergeant Whiteman.
하지만 다음 날 예기치 못한 상황이 발생하죠.
I never wanted to believe his suspicions. But the night he died, Farrell told me he intended to follow you. All I know is that finding Lee Cousins' prints on the gear stick, that leading to his apparent suicide, is a little too convenient for my liking.
Were Farrell's so-called suspicions of me ever aired without calling me a kike? As for Lee Cousins, well, he cut and raped a 14-year-old girl and got out in about as many months. The city's a safer place without him. Case is closed.
Chief Inspector, you better come quick.
어딘가 낯익은 소녀의 모습. 바로 시체를 옮기다 마주친 아이였죠.
Whiteman.
Can the child identify you?
Yes.
과연 화이트먼은 이 위기의 상황을 어떻게 풀어갈까요? 한편 전날 부상당한 남자를 본부에 넘겼었던 경찰 아이리스.
Your neighbour, Janet, Lorna, is at your door.
Oh, come on. You can tell me all about your bad day. You've got blood on your sweetheart.
그녀는 계속해서 어젯밤 그 남자가 신경 쓰입니다. 그렇기에 다음날 곧바로 남자에 대해 알아보려 하는데요.
Sorry, Mom. Any word on that murder attempt yesterday? The naked guy I found?
Maplewood. Quick word. Asking questions about a case that is way above your pay grade.
어제 일을 그냥 잊어버리라는 그녀의 상사.
Barnett. Hillinghead. If you value the life you have.
마치 힐링헤드 때와 비슷한 느낌이었죠.
Spine level low.
상사의 경고에도 불구하고 호기심을 이기지 못한 아이리스. 이에 그녀는 뛰어난 해커인 자신의 오빠를 찾아가 보는데요.
May I come in?
So what brings you out here this time, Detective?
I need you to run some DNA. A guy bled all over me. It's been red flagged.
Give it here. This guy must be involved in something big.
잠시 후 오빠의 도움으로 기밀 자료를 확인하는 아이리스.
Gabriel Defoe, born in Sheffield, 2022.
이에 그녀는 곧바로 남자의 흔적을 뒤쫓는데요.
New destination incoming. Detective Maplewood, you have been summoned.
갑자기 어딘가로 소환되는 아이리스.
But at least he's alive for now. Do you know who I am?
놀랍게도 그는 바로
Commander Mannix.
일라이어스 매닉스였죠. 어찌된 영문인지 영웅이 되어 있는 일라이어스의 미래.
Gabriel Defoe, Professor of Quantum Gravity Theory at Greenwich Park Unit. I believe Defoe was involved in a new terror network known as Chapel Perilous.
그는 아이리스에게 이 테러 조직의 본거지를 찾아달라 부탁하는데요.
I'd be honored, sir.
Detective, no, you are loved.
곧바로 디포라는 남자가 근무하던 대학교로 가보는 아이리스. 하지만 이때 믿을 수 없는 광경이 펼쳐집니다.
Hands up!
Me? I haven't done anything.
Shut up! This you?
Yes.
You got a twin or something?
No.
I'm bringing you in for questioning about an attempted murder.
Whose?
Yours.
대체 각기 다른 시대의 나체로 발견되는 이 남자의 정체는 과연 무엇인 걸까요?
Parlez-vous français, mon petit?
한편 절체절명의 위기에 처한 화이트먼.
Is that German?
It's Yiddish.
다행히 유대인이었던 꼬마는 프랑스어를 못했는데요.
Just ask her why she brought the flyer, Whiteman, and what she saw.
Vujovilsti.
Senkasif, Unechshrag. Oder Khan a Balabus Sugnes a Chup Gazain after Gachot Rangastat Dimnes and Goshnik.
Gelbe Kimmen down befreien, no water for me in Drosten.
For God's sake, what's she saying?
She's just wasting our time, sir. She doesn't know anything about Farrell. She's just hungry. I'll get her that ice cream, get her an address, send her packing. Hello?
Well,
Kid's just trying to blackmail me. I'll pay her off. She won't be a problem.
the murder investigation is closed. We can't risk it opening again.
You must take care of her permanently.
She's 11 years old.
Don't pretend you don't have the stomach for it, Sergeant.
완벽한 입막음을 원하는 화이트먼의 의뢰인.
You want the rest of your money? Then meet me back here tomorrow at 10.
다음 날
You don't look like a Charles. Can I get a slap?
Shut you up.
Maybe.
하지만 이때 누군가의 미행을 눈치챈 화이트먼. 겨우 미행을 따돌려서 안심하던 그 순간
Oh.
Wait, watch it.
You must take care of her permanently.
Well,
It's done.
you're sure?
What do you want, a fucking heart? We're finished. Understand?
하지만 그는 차마 자신과 같이 불행한 처지인 유대인 꼬마를 내칠 수 없었죠.
Good.
Tastes like rat's piss.
한편 화면은 이제 다시 1890년도의 힐링헤드를 비춥니다.
Oh, it's that journalist again.
Be back by this evening.
헨리와 함께 사건을 파헤치는 힐링헤드.
According to the photo, he was standing further to the right.
The suspect saw the body, heard your footsteps, and hid, extinguishing the gas light to avoid you seeing him. Where I pulled a set of his finger markings. The cane's imprint. Right. From this indentation, we can see the cane is hexagonal, which suggests vanity, style, expense, tailor-made to order.
이들은 곧장 지팡이 제작소를 찾습니다.
How do?
Gentlemen, it is Sunday. It's important. We need information about one of your tailor-made canes. Hexagonal, right-handed, swan neck.
I do recall an elegant swan neck.
그리고 마침내 찾은 지팡이의 주인은
That is definitely him. That is Sir Julian Harker.
바로 세계적인 부자 줄리언 하커였죠.
Sir Julian Harker, believed killed in action on the front line in Burma, returns unexpectedly alive to his mother, Lady Agatha Harker. We got word from his house staff. When Harker returned, he looked not one bit like her son. But Lady Agatha was so desperate to have her boy back that she had all the portraits repainted to look like him.
Why wasn't he found out?
Harker has a knack for the stock exchange. They say his mother's seances tip him off, and the two are often consulted by powerful people for investments. The awkward truth is, the predictions are often spot on. Eerily so. It's made Harker so rich.
그리고 이때 어떻게 알고 때맞춰온 하커로부터의 초대장.
From Harker. An invitation to tonight's seance. If I can get hold of any item that Harker touches, and if those markings match, then no matter how protected he is, we have him as a suspect.
그날 밤
Just wait here a moment, Inspector.
하커의 교령회에 참석한 힐링헤드.
I can't tell you what an honor it is to meet you finally.
Must ask, how did you know where to find me?
All in good time. Please, come and meet Mother. Detective Inspector Hillinghead. To the spirits.
그리고 마침내 시작되는 교령회.
Now, Inspector, what spirit do you wish to...
I would like to speak to the man who left to die in Long Harvest Lane, and I want to know if this is the man that killed him.
As you wish. See here. Ask him your questions.
What is your name?
그런데 이때
Defoe. Gabriel Defoe.
Was it the man in this photograph, Sir Julian Harker?
No. Enough. Stop this charade at once.
갑자기 이상 증세를 보이며 쓰러지는 힐링헤드.
Prepare the body, Reverend. I warned you, lad.
I promise you, it's all a dream.
그로부터 얼마쯤 시간이 흘렀을까요? 다행히 정신을 차린 힐링헤드는 곧바로 헨리를 찾아가 봅니다.
Did you get Harker's prints?
We took it. The body. All of them.
You're with them too, aren't you?
놈들이 먹인 약에 취해 아직까지 정신을 차리지 못하는 힐링헤드.
Please hold me.
그리고 이런 헨리의 따뜻한 위로에 그는 자신도 모르게 마음속 깊은 곳에 숨겨뒀던 은밀한 감정을 꺼내죠. 화면은 이제 다시 2023년.
Get him out of there! Elaine threatened Jawad. She said he'd be next.
Yeah, okay. I've ordered you a domestic security detail.
하산은 혹여나 자신의 아들이 해코지라도 당할까봐 무척이나 두렵습니다.
Listen to me.
이런 그녀를 한밤중에 일라이어스가 찾아오죠.
Stand up! Let's go, kid.
Please! My client has informed me that he intends to confess the murder on Long Harvest Lane and the planning of a firebomb placed with the intention of killing a police officer.
갑자기 범행을 시인하는 일라이어스.
Why did you tell me you were innocent when I found you in my house?
I was lying.
What was the name of the victim on Long Harvest Lane? Why was Syed Tahir involved? You can change your solicitor at any time.
Isa, I'd like this officer removed.
Get rid of him. Yeah, I don't rate him.
We'll get you another solicitor.
I want you out as well.
Sake.
You're kinder than they said you'd be.
Andrew and Elaine. What else did they tell you about me?
That you're gonna matter to me.
Is that why you took photos of me and my
The
family?
Morleys did that, I didn't.
Why would they?
They know things.
Why did your friend choose to take his life when all he had to do was talk? What are you so afraid of?
일라이어스는 두려움에 굳게 입을 닫습니다. 잠시 후 CCTV를 피해 책상 밑으로 내려간 하산.
Elias, I don't know what it is behind your eyes, Elias, but I can see it burns. But I can only help you if you start to trust me.
We didn't kill the man in the lane.
Who did? Tell me.
It will be because of me.
What do you mean, it will be?
The Morleys' body had come before. Same body, same place, and it's gonna come again. And they said that after this, there's gonna be so many people. Because of me. I don't want to do it.
Do what?
Bomb. And not hundreds dead, hundreds of thousands. That you're the one that's gonna make me do it.
도통 이해가 되질 않는 일라이어스의 말들.
Come out from under the table. CPS are happy for me to charge. He's going down for Rick's murder, along with Elaine as an accomplice. I'm calling time on this. It's too much for you.
He's just said there's another bomb and you're calling time.
He's crying wolf, and you're buying it. Andrew Morley gets to walk.
What?
For now. He's still a person of interest.
Syed killed himself.
Go home, cool off.
그리고 마침내 조금씩 밝혀지는 사건의 진실.
Unresponsive. Let's call it.
Command.
How's our professor?
He was utterly distraught when his doppelganger died in front of him, sir.
The body in the morgue. It's no doppelganger. It's the foe from the future.
From the future? Commander, you know this sounds...
Not impossible. And if Chapel Perilous can send someone back in time, then they can do anything they want. Destroy our whole world. Follow the foe. Find Chapel Perilous. Know you are loved.
위대한 예배당이라는 테러 집단이 시간 여행을 할 수 있다는 사실을 알게 된 아이리스. 그리고 각자의 시대에서 좌절하고 있는 두 사람. 힐링헤드는 무슨 생각에서인지 현장에 자신의 이름을 남깁니다. 그리고 먼 훗날 하산이 이를 발견하죠.
I'll get Maggie and the research team on the brickwork.
이어지는 놀라운 사실들.
Hillinghead from the 1890 electoral register. Detective Inspector.
하산은 힐링헤드를 조금 더 조사해보기로 합니다.
Sergeant Hassan. How can I help you, darling?
You got any old case files in the building?
1890.
You've got to be kidding me.
과거 똑같이 벌어졌었던 미스테리한 사건들.
Wait there, Detective. This is ringing some bells. Wait. 1941. Shot through the left eye. Body had come before. Same body, same place, and it's gonna come again.
Elias said that bodies had come before. Can you run these for me?
What is this time team? I don't even know.
Mags, please.
하산은 곧바로 이 말도 안 되는 일들을 상사와 논의해보기로 하는데요.
Something you need to see?
한편 다음날 약에서 완전히 깬 힐링헤드.
I merely wish to discuss what happened last night.
What happened was a mistake.
You kissed me. Now what?
Nothing.
그는 어젯밤 있었던 모든 일들을 완전히 지워버리기로 합니다.
What on earth happened to you? I was worried.
Brawl broke out in the cells.
I'll lay out some new clothes for you.
사랑하는 아내와 딸을 위해서라도 말이죠.
What do you mean?
Well, the locket fell to the ground and now it won't close.
I'm not some tinker.
That's exactly what you are.
You have no idea the humiliation your mother and I went through to get you to sit still for this.
Where were you last night?
When there was a fight in the cells.
There's always a little pinch in your voice when you're lying.
Good as new.
Somebody at the church saw me play. I'm to go to their house this afternoon to play for them.
그날 밤 다시금 헨리를 찾은 힐링헤드.
Being with you scares me to death. But I need you, Henry.
결국 그는 자신의 감정에 솔직해지기로 합니다.
We're running a front page on Harker.
Don't want anything to happen to you.
What is that? On your glasses, a smudge.
하커의 지문이었죠.
Mental sciences.
Right. At the study of the Deutsch particle upon impact with a naked singularity. The particle splits into two in perfect symmetry, backwards and forwards, just as likely to go 1 second into the past as it is 1 second into the future. But what blows even the most open mind is observing the result seems possible at both end. There are now two particles, one in the past and one. It means that time travel, going both backwards and forwards, is possible.
역시나 너무나도 어려운 과학의 세계.
I know you don't trust me, but I'm asking for your help. I didn't invent a time machine. I don't know any terrorists. I only know that I do not want to experience his fate.
그녀는 생각합니다.
Stay with me.
But I choose the safe house.
이 남자는 믿을만하다고 말이죠.
Proper safe house then, hey?
Spine level low.
You've a spine.
선천적으로 하반신에 문제가 있어 기계의 힘을 빌리지 않으면 걸을 수 없었던 아이리스.
This will be okay. I'll catch the person responsible.
May I?
디포 역시 이런 아이리스에게 점차 마음을 주는데요.
Yes, sorry. I need to go to the bathroom.
하지만 이때 갑자기 도망치는 디포.
Think you can outrun me? Now what? Take her to chapel.
이웃 친구의 퉁수였죠.
You got them spiral things those kids were eating?
한편 어쩌다 보니 유대인 꼬마의 보호자가 돼버린 화이트먼.
Hey! What are you doing?
I told you. Live here like you're not here. He's definitely here for us. Shit. This is a single ticket up to Inverness. Train's leaving from Euston tomorrow. I'm gonna get you on there. It's gonna be a full moon tonight. That means it's open season for the Luftwaffe. When the bombs come, that's our chance.
그날 밤 화이트먼은 낮의 계획대로 혼란스러운 틈을 타 꼬마를 데리고 집을 나서는데요.
You'll be all right. Hey, we are gonna be all right.
그렇게 얼마나 시간이 흘렀을까요?
Would your daughter like to use my shawl?
Thank you.
Do you think she might like a piece of chocolate?
Thank you.
이때 화이트먼의 눈에 들어온 수상한 남자.
Back in a sec.
Better be.
분명 꼬마를 입막음하러 온 놈이 분명합니다.
That's a pretty locket. Who's that?
My family.
놀랍게도 이 할머니는 힐링에 대해 딸이었죠. 한편 치열한 사투 끝에 겨우 남자를 처리한 화이트먼.
You're a lucky man, Sergeant Whiteman. Know you are loved.
왜 이제야 알아차렸을까요? 분명 의뢰인의 목소리입니다.
Esther, come on. Esther. Come on, kid. Come on, come on, come on.
대체 힐링에 대해 딸은 무슨 이유로 이 꼬마에게까지 손을 댄 것일까요?
This is the John Doe on Long Harvest Lane. And this is a front page scoop.
한편 알아낸 모든 정보를 상사에게 공유하는 하산.
In 1890. Same tattoo on both wrists that we also found on the brick.
But it's a wind-up.
This body, like the marking, was discovered 1 mile away from Long Harvest Lane in 1941.
X-File.
There's been at least 3 murders on Long Harvest Lane, decades apart, all identical. This isn't nothing, Barbara.
So, this Whiteman guy is trying to solve the same case as Hillinghead in 1890, only in 1941.
Right. And this newspaper article from 1890 says some bloke called Sir Julian Harker was Hillinghead's original suspect.
Andrew Morley's lawyer, the one Elias sacked off, what's his name?
Philip Dust.
Yeah, but what's his firm's name?
Harker Legal. Founded by Sir Julian Harker in 1894. Shit.
모든 사건의 중심에는 하커라는 인물이 있었습니다.
We go there and check it out.
Well, less of the we.
결국 쫄보 상사를 뒤로한 채 몰래 하커 법률 사무소에 침입해보는 하산. 분명 교령회가 열렸었던 바로 그 집입니다.
I will tell you what you could not know otherwise. Sir Iris Maplewood. You shall need her. Maplewood will get you as far as you have to go. But remember,
이때 들어오는 누군가.
Spooky in here, isn't it? Detective. I won't call the cops on you.
어찌된 영문인지 일라이어스의 양아빠는 하산의 존재를 이미 알고 있었는데요.
Tell me what's going on.
You won't believe me till you see it yourself.
Why did Syed take his life?
We had to get you to the body. Get you to Elias. It's time for you to see.
보관되어 있는 똑같은 시체들.
We need you to believe it.
Believe what?
Lane's family, they worked for the Harkers since you... So we knew the truth. We knew what would have to happen. Such a terrible thing. And that's what was so hard for me. Knowing that Elias was going to end up so full of regret, so full of pain. Elias died wanting to undo it. It was too late. And that's what's so awful.
Please, I don't understand.
If you weren't around, would he ever do it?
남자는 계속해서 지 혼자만 아는 말들을 내뱉습니다.
Andrew, whatever you're caught up in, we can help.
하지만 이때
Right, just calm yourself.
대체 지금 무슨 일들이 벌어지고 있는 걸까요?